Statistics is the study of collecting, organizing, and analyzing information. And so anytime you have a question about anything, statistics can be used to determine what the answer should be or could be or likely is. And so it's used in all fields of study, especially any study where research is being done, statistics is used. Anytime we are trying to improve a process or answer a question, statistics can be used to determine how valid our information is and any decisions we can make based on that information. We have in the independent study course 2 writing assignments where they're actually doing a statistical analysis. One where they're analyzing a quantitative variable and one where they're analyzing a categorical variable. We get our questions that we ask from real studies that have taken place in the world. There's also a written portion of each exam where you are going to be analyzing something that has actually taken place in an actual study and look to see what kinds of conclusions you can draw from those. And I think that's a great skill to develop because there are statistical studies all over. Not all of them are valid statistical studies, so when you get practice analyzing them yourself, you know what to look for and whether you should believe things that you come across or whether you can recognize that there's something in there that makes them something invalid that you shouldn't believe. I actually use kind of a come follow me approach like the church does, where if you learn something on your own first and do a little bit of preparation, it tends to stick better in your brain and in your heart. And so we have some materials that you will look through, slides, and you will do the part of that learning that is easier to do on your own. So you're going to find definitions and you're going to write down terms that will be used in statistics. And then you'll watch videos where I do the more difficult things in the class that you'll have to do. We do examples and we talk about concepts that are sometimes more challenging for students. It's designed to be a way for you to learn the material and then be able to apply the information that you learn in the way that you're going to be expected to on homework and on exams. For me, there's really 2 main goals of the class. One is to help students become better consumers of statistics. You will learn in this class tools that will help you to understand how the data was collected and what was done with the data, and you will be able to interpret the information that is provided in statistical studies. And the other goal is for you to be able to do those same things yourself, so that you can have information in your particular area of study or just in your life that you are interested in and use that information to draw valid conclusions. And this class will help you know when you hear what others have done to understand, and when you have information yourself to be able to draw your own conclusions.